We all want to be liked and admired by others, but sometimes, we overlook simple practical things that could spell the difference between being a people magnet and being an annoying person that nobody wants to be around with. Here are 5 persuasion tricks that will make everyone crave your presence and get them drawn to you. 1. Third-party complimenting. Complimenting someone directly might either come across as genuine or insincere, depending on how you say it, how you move while saying it, and by the state a person is in at the moment. If you're not sure if your compliment is going to be regarded in the positive light, you can privately tell a third party, whom both of you know, what you like or admire about the person being complimented. Once your compliment reaches the recipient, your likability increases 1,000-fold in their eyes. When the compliment is coming from a third party, it comes across as more genuine and sincere. 2. Face saving. Face saving involves doing, or not doing, something to preserve someone's ego or reputation, or to prevent them from being humiliated or embarrassed. Some examples of face saving include taking the blame for someone else's fault, not telling a person's embarrassing secret or story to others, even if the timing is right or circumstances call for it, doing something to reverse someone's mistake without disclosing to anyone else, justifying or downplaying a person's failures, even admitting you've done worse. 3. Emotional recognition and nonjudgemental listening. Be sensitive in reading people's emotional state. They may be acting or saying they're okay, but their tone of voice or body language may say otherwise. Many people on the verge of mental breakdown just need to unload their emotional baggage through the listening ear of a caring, nonjudgemental person. Be that caring person. You can tell them, "I sense something's bothering you. Is there anything you want to talk about?" Then just listen attentively. Let your body language show your concern and sincerity by establishing eye contact and nodding often. Be empathetic and feel how they're feeling. If they're sad or angry, feel it yourself and share their emotions. It will mean so much to them, and they will cherish your kindness throughout their lifetime. 4. Simplification. Some people think that speaking jargon or complex statements make them look smart, but all they're doing is making life harder for others. By making things more complicated than they should be, they're reducing their chances of building rapport and bonding with others. The world is hectic and complicated enough. On the other hand, people appreciate it if you simplify things to their simplest form. This is most applicable to areas where you're an expert and they're not familiar with the subject. By turning the complex into simple, people would crave to be with you because you're making their life a lot easier. And you'll eliminate any chances of bruising their ego, since they'll feel that you're on the same level as them regarding that topic. 5. Personalization. People love gifts, especially those that are customized for them. So try to personalize the things you do or give to others, as much as you can. For example, if they like to play basketball, you can give them a jersey or memorabilia connected with their favorite NBA team. And if they like a certain color or style, you can incorporate that too. Even better if you give personalized gifts to their spouse or kids, as this shows you're giving attention and importance to their life details. Did you know you can even personalize your smile to each person you meet? See description below to know more. Speaking of smiles, you can also use another body language to be liked and be more persuasive. Watch this video next to discover how to use the magic touch to influence others and get what you want.